G'day, welcome back to another episode of the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron. If you've been following me on Instagram, you would have realised that I've sold my homemade CNC machine, and I've recently purchased a Skyfire machine. So today's video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Skyfire as it arrived just only a couple of days ago. Well guys, here it is, all the way from China. It arrived on Monday. The shipping company brought it around in a large truck with a hydraulic tailgate and a pallet jack to get it off. Unfortunately, I wasn't here to take delivery of it, and the delivery had to be done by my daughter Emily, who you've seen in my previous video clip, and my good mate Michael, who I build the helicopters with. So it's very sturdy, the packaging, it's pretty rock solid, and I was pretty impressed, so thank you Skyfire, you've certainly looked after me there. So roughly guys, from purchasing this machine, it's roughly been about 3 months from the actual payment to them to manufacture it and to get it delivered here in Australia. Now my machine is the SkyfireCNC SVM1VMC vertical milling machining center. So it has the servo drives, it has the servo spindle motor, it has no steppers on it, as I said they're servos. It has linear ways on all axes, so on the X, Y and Z. It has a tool change as well. It runs a BT30 spindle, so it doesn't run the straight shank collets. It actually runs a proper BT30 with a pull stud, of course, and pneumatic drill bar with the pull stud arrangement to pull those BT30 collets in. So what I'll do now guys, I've already undone the top of the box. I started to get a bit excited. I thought I had to stop myself to actually get the camera rolling. So I'll lift the lid off it and I'll work on the back side, and then I'll cut back and I'll show you that. Alright, so just bear with me for a second. I might pop that lid now and just fast forward this camera a little bit. Alright, so stick with me. So what I might do here, I'll cut the video here and I'll drop these sides off and give you a better look at the machine. Alrighty guys, I've unpacked all the crate as much as I can do. I've unwrapped the machine, I've taken all the boxes out of the inside of the machine, and I've laid them out on the bench here. What I'll do, I'll move the camera over and you can have a look at some of the components that I bought. So over here to the left guys, this is my friend David Hudson's. He's bought a 4th axis for his DIY mill at home and a chuck for it. This is my machine vise. Now, I don't know what's happened. I actually ordered 2 of these, but only 1 turned up, so I need to get back onto Defang Rang at Skyfire and find out. Here's the tooling that I got with my mill. So I've bought 8 BT30 ER32 collet holders and some collets. I bought a drill chuck and also a facing shell mill arbor as well. Spanners came with it. I've got the BT30 lock here. That's the tool that the collet will go into, the actual tool holder. You can tighten the collet up. I've got a clamp set at the back there, T-slot clamp set. These are the legs that come with the mill. I need to get them on as well. And I bought a tapping head. Now I probably don't need the tapping head. The Skyfire is capable of rigid tapping, but I bought this anyway. So I could have maybe saved my purchase on that. I'll open it up, see if you can see it. Now there seems to be a couple of pull studs missing as well, so maybe that was my mistake when I ordered the machine. I didn't order enough pull studs. I'll have to go back through my invoice and have a look at it. Now the dilemma I have at the moment is how to get it off the bottom, the base of the crate. If I reposition the camera, you can see that I've undone the bolts, but there's no way I can lift that off by myself or with my mates. So I might have to get a friend of mine, get his engine crane over and lift it up and to get it off there and put the wheels underneath it. Right, so what I can do now, I can take you around to the front of the machine and show you inside. Okay, so here's the industrial controller. Now this is made by a company in China called AdTech, and it's a 4650. It is a 5-axis controller. So hopefully, if I ever buy the fifth axis option from Defeng, my machine should be ready to go to control it. I'll just pan down and you can have a look there. You can see the power drawbar on top and the 8-station ATC automatic tool changer over here as well. It's I'm quite happy with what I see so far, guys. I don't have the power yet to power it up. I'm waiting for the electrician to come around and run that power over. So what I can do, I can just cycle the door for you, just open and close it. So it is ready to go with flood coolant, and I believe that's the tool offsetter hanging in there. I'll just undo that. I'll just get a pair of side cutters so you can have a look. And of course I had to drop that on camera, didn't I? And it fell all the way down to the to the coolant tray. And that's a little electronic tool setter there that I can do all my tool offsets with. So now, one odd thing, I can't find the manual for it anywhere, so I'll have to get onto Defeng and ask him where the manual is. Maybe that's in a PDF version that you download electronically. So, failing that, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I should get back to you within a month or a couple of weeks when I get the electrician around and get it wired up, alright? So, come back and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when I upload a next addition to my Skyfire CNC series. Cheers, be good to yourselves. Ta-da.